Happy Vlogmas day 4. It's the evening. Workout number 2 in the books. It was rough. It was brutal, and I did not want to go. I'm so tired. I'm so glad I did. I'm so red in the face. I just got to my mom's house, so I got to unpack some of the Christmas boxes, so I'm gonna do that. But you know who's here? La, la, la. Okay. Hi, Lolo.
Hi, honey.
What you doing? It looks so pretty in here.
I just got through watching the family stone.
What? I'm sitting down in my house, which feels like for the first time in like I don't know how long. This like feels so relaxing. I can't even. So I went to my mom's house, and the plan was to go to Trader Joe's because I literally have no food. But seriously, the traffic out there was insane, which it makes sense. It's like 5:30, but Christmas cards season. I love it. This is fun. Oh, this is for my friend Chelsea, her husband and her 2 kids, and it is adorable. Oh, adorable. I'd show you, but you know, privacy. Just a quick little glance. Oh, and this one's from my good friend Kira, and she just had a baby, and I got to meet him for the first time not too long ago, and oh, it's adorable. Oh, it's a beautiful card. Oh gosh. So cute. I just love Christmas cards, especially from friends you don't get to see that often and that don't live nearby. And so like to see pictures of her boy is just so fun. Okay, so I have an espresso machine, and I feel like Nespresso used to do like, it kind of took not a long time, but a few days. So I was ordering on Amazon because it was quicker, but they're doing like next day free or something like that. So I ordered coffee. So I ordered 5. So I'm trying and I just have the Vertuo line. I used to have the little ones. I gave it to my mom because I like a full cup of coffee. So this is the Audacio. So they're like the bigger ones that make a full cup of coffee. The Alto Dolce, and this makes a 14 fluid ounce. So these ones are even bigger. You can make espresso shots in this one too. So if I wanted like extra coffee, I bought this 1 pack. I also wanted to try the Melozio, the hazelnut, which is Hazelino, and then the vanilla. So those are good to go. And then they gave you just a little insert. Oh, I should have got this. Buy 5 sleeves, get 1 free. So maybe I'll order some more sleeves soon. And then they gave you a sample of the Colombia and the Mexico. So that's kind of cool. Look how cute they are. So this is what the pods look like for the bigger Nespresso machine. And I love my Nespresso machine. It's so good. It's so good. Okay. This is jingly jangly, isn't it? I ordered so much stuff from Amazon. I've ordered so much stuff from Amazon the last few days. So oh yes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these are not right either. I am having, oh, perfect. And these candles that are on I just got these tea lights that are on a 6-hour timer. I'm gonna turn them on because I got those little houses, if you saw in my kind of decor, to send to, from Target, and it was just like a pain to pull them out. So I got these on Amazon, and they're just LED tea lights. You got 12 warm white lights, battery included, flickering flame, and they just go on for 6 hours. So 5, 6, so I want 4 when I get home and put these on it. So they go on and off at the same time. So it's just nice that they're on timers. So I'm doing a gift. many of these might work. I'm gonna check these out. They're a little bigger than I anticipated. Moms. I don't mind this, but the large utility box is not the right size. It's probably gonna be the medium. Web is in focus, so I'm gonna just send those back. Fun. Yeah. Oh, let's do advent calendar for days 3 and 4. I'm like literally in a mess of stuff right now. Okay. Oh, my legs are sore. That was a rough workout. Okay, let's see. There's so much stuff everywhere. Okay, so let's see. Let's find day 3. Gosh, so much stuff everywhere. Okay. Okay, so 3 is, I'll bring you down here because I feel like they get bigger as the days get bigger. Okay, see 3. Oh, let's open it. Ooh, a Nest fragrance. I love Nest fragrances. Black Tulip. Do I have this one? Do I have it? Let me see. I do love this fragrance. Okay, so I do have this exact fragrance, so, which is totally fine. You know what? Oh, it's so good. I'll probably put it in like my mom's stocking. I like it enough that I have this exact size because I just like smaller perfumes and I think it smells really good and I think my mom would like it. So, I mean, it's a great value. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited that I can put a little something in my mom's stocking. Okay, today's maybe a little bit high, but we got this, right? Sorry about the angle. So here's 4. Seriously, 4. Oh, another perfume. Oh no, Hoy vey. So this is the pure, where are we at? This is a pure vanilla La Vanilla. I'm not a big fan of vanilla scents. That's like really vanilla-y. I mean, it's nice, but it just, I mean, I think these are great. These 2 things are great to have. It's just that this is a scent I already have, and this is just a little too vanilla-y for me, but I'm sure I could find someone who likes vanilla, right? Because it smells good. I mean, it smells like vanilla. It's not awful. Maybe I'll keep it. It's a cute little bottle. So, all right. So, I feel like whenever I get home, I literally dump everything everywhere. Like, dump it all. I'm like a person who comes in with like 50,000 bags, right? So, I'm just gonna call it out. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Take you along.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, but falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
Okay, so I took the time to tidy up, put stuff away. I actually vacuum, you guys didn't see, clean the sink, and kind of just tidy up my house. I need that to feel relaxed. Not everyone does, and if you don't do it. Do what you need to do to feel relaxed at the end of the day. I need to though. I need to kind of put everything away, tidy things up, clean a little bit, and then I feel like, okay, I can sit down and relax. I feel like this is kind of crooked. Okay, so while I was kind of tidying up, which you kind of saw, I need to really think about the next few days. I have felt overwhelmed the last few days. I think partly just this weekend, when I don't have any downtime on the weekend and take some time to really have self-care, I find that my week is really just difficult for me. And because I struggle with anxiety and still always trying to kind of find that balance for me and making sure that I don't get to a point where like I can't go to work and I need to take some time because that's a reality in my life. There are times when I have such bad anxiety attacks that I can't go into work. I really need to take that time to sit, and by the time it gets to that, it's like a waste of the day because I really can't do anything. I really need to be by myself, take care of myself, lay down, and just kind of get right. And so the weekend and the last few days have been just hard, and I feel like I'm constantly trying to catch up, and I can't, you know, like I can't breathe, and I'm trying to do a lot, and I need to slow down. And I have a mentality of like, do go, get it all done, don't go, then relax. And that typically leads to an anxiety attack. And so I really needed to take a step back today and just go like, okay, not everything needs to get done today. Because typically when I have students that have stuff due for my college course, I want to get it graded as soon as possible. So typically on a Tuesday, because they had it due last night, I would work on that. I had students turn in an assignment this morning and I wanted to get that graded, and I just thought, no, I'm not going to do it. I have more time in the afternoon tomorrow to kind of get through that. I intend to work out tomorrow morning at 5:45. Pray for me. Pray for me. I got to do it. So I thought tonight, because you have to go to the grocery store, I had to go to my mom's house to just get all the boxes of the Christmas stuff out of there. That this would be the perfect night to relax. So I cleaned up, I took care of a few emails for my college course that I needed to send out, and just a few things on my online course. Because actually, although I go to one class on one night, I also teach 2 classes online, so a total of 3 courses. Yeah, just keep adding stuff to my plate. But I love it. I generally love it. I just have to kind of make sure that I'm maintaining my health and self-care. And so I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's right now, and I'm gonna get what I need, and I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening relaxing. That means watching everyone else's Vlogmas and catching up, having dinner, taking a shower, and just trying to get to bed early. So that's my plan. And I'm happy with it, and I know that tomorrow when I don't have as much to do and I don't feel like when I get off of work that I need to run a bunch of errands and stuff, that I can grade stuff, and I will be in a much better place to do it and not trying to rush through it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's. I'm not gonna take you with me because that place is crazy busy all the time, but I'm definitely gonna show you what I get. So I'll see you in a moment. Okay, that was like the perfect time to go to Trader Joe's because it wasn't busy, the parking lot wasn't too bad. I gotta make that like my new thing, because I typically go right after work thinking it's before the 5 o'clock crowd and it's crazy busy, but 6:30, good time. So I'll show you what I picked up. I got these organic apples, apple palms. I don't know, huge bag. I don't even know how much they were. I can find a price, but they looked really good and crispy. Deliciousness. Okay. I got bananas. I find the ripest ones, and then I actually peel them, cut them in half, and freeze them, and I use them in smoothies. I don't otherwise eat bananas really. I got some sipping chocolate. This stuff is really good. And I always want a light flavored coffees, but they're usually too flavored or too sweet, even creamers, because I just like a touch of sweetness. And this is really good, but I thought I'd try putting just a touch of it in my oat milk. And then I mean, like literally like not even a teaspoon. I just like a slightly sweet thing as an indulgence. So I thought I'd try this because this is actually really good for like adult hot chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna try and get this done before my daughter runs out. Champagne gummies, because who doesn't love gummies and champagne? I got a bunch of the 0% Greek yogurt. I like the strawberry, the black raspberry, and the blueberry. Zucchini noodles for lunch the next few days. I also mixed in a little bit of whole wheat spaghetti with the zucchini noodles. String cheese. Again, blueberry, black raspberry, so good. More yogurt. I like this as a snack. I couldn't help but get the pull the cone mini ice creams, peppermint flavored, delicious. And I get the mini meatballs to put in my sauce. I got some organic air pop popcorn for us like a treat. I got my string cheese. I love to have these everything pretzel stems. I got the arrabbiata sauce for the zucchini noodles. I picked up at the cash wrap these nuts about rosemary mix. It's nuts and rosemary, two of my favorite things. Good little snack. And then in my smoothies, I like to put in either almond butter or peanut butter. But I got this crunchy salted peanut butter with flax and chia seeds. So I'm excited to try that. I spent about 50 bucks. And yeah, this was probably the most expensive thing. Oh no, $6.99 for the, not this, the nuts and for those apples, because it's a 5-pound bag. So they're the sweet tangos. I love sweet tangos. Okay, anyway, that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this and hope you enjoyed this Trader Joe's haul. Yeah, and that's a wrap on day 4. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.